Hi, hello, my name is Tanmay. I am studying in grade 2. My model is about 3D shapes. 3D dimension means having 3 dimensions: breadth, height, and length. Cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. Cone has 2 faces, 1 corner, 1 edges. And sphere has 1 faces, 0 corner, 0 edges. Cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Cylinder has 2 faces, 1 corner, 2 edges. Thank you.